And then, okay, we have discussed just now about the 3 types of societies. Okay, the first one is the egalitarian societies, okay, and then ranked societies, and also the stratified societies. Okay, can you recall what are the characteristics of these societies? Okay, egalitarian societies, we have discussed a lot about egalitarian societies, not only from this topic, but also in previous topic, we also mentioned about egalitarian societies, where we discuss about the band political organization, tribal political organizations. Okay, it involves those, for example, like the hunting and gathering societies, pastoralists. Okay, so those are the people who are groups under egalitarian societies. Okay, and we discussed just now about rank and also the stratified societies. Okay, so in this topic, we have discussed a lot about social stratification. Okay, by now you need to be able to understand what is social stratification and what is social inequality. And the other terms that I mentioned regularly just now is about social mobility. Okay, social stratification here may be explained using functionalist theory. Okay, that sees social inequality something as encourages individuals, okay, to compete with each other in order to be the best. Okay, so it is something in a positive manner. Okay, according to the conflict theory, okay, which is totally contrast with the functionalism theory, it sees as the higher classes oppressing the lower classes in order to safeguard their interests. Okay, so this is the gist of okay, the contents, the main contents of this topic under social stratifications. Okay, learners, so just now we have discussed about politics and also social control. Okay, and we have discussed about what are the types of politics and social control in topic 7. So I hope that you can see how from topic 7 it is linked to topic 8, okay, on social stratifications. By understanding the types of political organizations and also the social control is either from informal or formal means, okay, and then when we discuss about social stratification just now, we can see that how it is important to understand about the role of man and society in this social institution. Okay, and then we are going to continue our discussion in our next tutorial, okay, whereby in next tutorial we are going to talk about ethnic relations, that is under topic 9, and for topic 10, okay, we are going to conclude whatever we have discussed, okay, throughout our tutorials. Okay, we are going to discuss about how to apply the anthropological studies. Okay, so I hope that you may able to follow me for the next tutorial, okay, and you manage to understand about these 2 topics that we have discussed just now. Okay, so till we meet again in the next tutorial.